Hey, good morning, everybody. I wanted to share my new listing with you in Oakleaf Plantation. I'm at 851 Songbird Drive. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, 2-car garage, and it's 2,400 square feet. And it's in phase 2 of Oakleaf Plantation in Creekview. So I'm gonna do a little walkthrough of the home and show you guys what's going on. And I'll be here today and tomorrow for showings. So if you have any questions, you can call me at 904-607-1148. All right, so let's get started. For sale, Watson Realty. All right, here's the outside of the home. Down the street. Nice neighborhood. This is Creekview. And it's a brick home. Single owner. They've taken wonderful care of this home for the last 16 years. Got concrete curbing. The landscaping is really well done. Inside, we've got formal living and dining to the right and left. Tile floors, chair molding, crown molding. It's super clean in here. And the air feels so good, it's so hot outside. All right, so there's the front entry. Nice foyer area, and then I'm gonna go to the right and show you guys the kitchen. And then straight ahead goes to the family room and some of the bedrooms. So here we go. Here's the kitchen. Stainless appliances, 42-inch cabinets. There's the pantry. They're more organized than I am. Solid surface countertops. Breakfast bar, island in the middle for extra storage, and then there's a breakfast area over here to the right. Laundry room is not a pass-through to the garage. The washer and the dryer can stay. And do a little twirl. There's the family room. And again, there's tile throughout all of the common areas. So foyer, living room, dining room, kitchen, family room, and then down the hall. All right, fireplace. Out back is this beautiful Florida room. And they obviously have a green thumb and I don't. Here's real glass windows. They're not plastic. Fenced yard. It's tiled out here as well. There's a nice shed in the back corner. Got ceiling fans out here. This is really nice and spacious. Very organized household here. Going back inside. All right. I'll show you the master next. And then there's a little under the stairs closet here for extra storage. So that's pretty cool. Here's the master. I think that's a queen size bed in here. Fits pretty comfortably. And the owner's bath. And they've done some remodeling in here. It's got dual vanities. Hi. And over here, garden tub. Walk-in shower. And they've had this redone. They did the frameless glass. And it's really nice. There's the master closet. It's pretty spacious. And water closet. Linen closet as well. All right, so that's the owner's suite. And then I'll show you guys the other bedrooms. There's 2 over on this side of the house. And this is the shared bathroom for the 2 guest bedrooms over here. There's one they're currently using as an office. It's got some wood, looks like wood flooring in here. And the other spare bedroom. I'll show you some of the closet space. So cute. All right. So that's the downstairs. And then there's a bonus room upstairs that is a true 4th bedroom. It's got a window, a door, a closet for all of you realtors that are like, is it a real bedroom? Yes, it is. Hey, Andre. Thanks for watching. So this is the 4th bedroom upstairs. And as you can see, it's really spacious. You could do whatever with this. There's a queen bed up here and another twin bed. It's got its own full dedicated bathroom. And a really big walk-in closet. Okay, so it's pretty deep back there. And again, everything here is just really well kept, very clean. And if you're interested in seeing this house, let me go back down the stairs. The owners are allowing showings for pre-qualified buyers only. So if you are interested, give me a call. I'd be glad to show it to you. And even the garage is super clean. I didn't show you the garage, but I'll go out here real quick. And they also have a pool table that they might be willing to part with. Let's see. So pool table. And then back here, there's even like some extra storage space back there. There's the water heater and the air conditioner. The air conditioner is only 2 years old. So even the garage is nice. And that's it. Again, this is 851 Songbird Drive. It's in Creekview at Oakleaf Plantation, and I'd love to show it to you. If you know someone interested, please share this with them. It's being offered at $355,000, and hopefully we'll have it under contract by Monday. But if you have anyone interested, give me a call, 904-607-1148. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.